Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 tricks to grow bushier pothos without pruning. Pothos benefits. Point 1. Air purification. Low maintenance. 3. Aesthetic appeal. 5. Stress reduction. Oxygen production. Trick 1 to grow bushier pothos without pruning is provide more light. Pothos plants tend to grow more compactly and bushily in brighter light conditions. Move your pothos to a spot with bright indirect light to encourage fuller growth. Tip 2. Rotate. Regularly rotating your pothos plant ensures even growth and prevents it from becoming leggy. This encourages the plant to grow outwards rather than just upwards. Tip 3 is use a trellis or stake. Providing support for your pothos can encourage it to grow upwards and outwards, creating a fuller appearance. You can use a trellis stake or even a moss pole to support the plant. Tip 4 is fertilize regularly. Feed your pothos with a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients that promote healthy growth. This can help encourage bushier growth and prevent the plant from becoming leggy. Tip 5 is adjust watering and humidity. Make sure you're watering your pothos correctly and maintaining a humid environment. Pothos prefers well-draining soil and a humid environment, which can help promote healthy, bushy growth. By implementing these tricks, you can encourage your pothos to grow fuller and bushier without pruning. Thanks for watching, guys! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more gardening videos. That's it! 5 tricks to grow bushier pothos without pruning. Try them out and see the difference for yourself. Like, comment, and subscribe for more plant care tips. Happy planting!